Russ is getting his sand legs. He knows how to drive in snow, but this is all sand through here.
Ready. Spins that trunk around.
I just want to spend a minute on getting stuck and unstuck. With practice, you can get unstuck without leaving the truck. Well, most of the time. Keep up momentum. If it gets sluggish, give a bit more gas, but try not to spin much. You can lightly test a lower gear, but stop before pushing a high pile in front of the wheels. And don't spin a hold trying to impress your partner. Now just back out. It works. Try a new track. If needed, lock in low gear diff lock and continue on. Trust me, the biggest secret is don't dig yourself in. Then just back out. If you're still stuck, try lowering your tire pressure to double your footprint. Remember though, you need an air compressor to get you right for the tarmac. Recovery gear is best if you have someone else's vehicle to help. Careful, it can be very dangerous. Best to have proper and not Google training. Sometimes a winch is necessary, again, proper training. Look at the holes this guy dug. Guaranteed he could have backed out. By the way, driving off we saw lions resting behind those far trees. If you're alone, with nothing to anchor your winch to, it's time to sweat. Or sometimes you just need a bit more help.
Is that what he's going to do? Yep, he's pushing the truck. Look at that.
Just like anything else, you can stay out of trouble with some proper instruction, good experience, and a workhorse like Landy. Soon, Landy will come out of the shadows again. Starting in August, we'll have 8 months, 10 countries, 20 border crossings, and lots of wildlife, wild places, and wild helping. To travel and live and meet and help new friends together with you in Africa. See you there.